OpenAI gives you awesome image generation capabilities with its 4.0 multimodal AI model. The biggest features users are enjoying are the photorealism, character consistency, and its ability to restyle images. For character consistency, if you just prompt the model, create an image, it'll do that for you. Similar to the Gemini 2.0 Flash image generation model, it'll remember the details that it already generated for previous images in the chat. So you don't have to describe every single detail to the model again, but it'll still maintain character consistency. As we saw, it'll restyle images, but you can also upload images. This is an example with the comic book, and ask ChatGPT to turn it into a real comic. So 4.0 can turn a hand drawing into a comic strip, but it can also replace characters or elements within images. So in this example, it replaces the dragon with this penguin. And then it can also take the penguin character and place it in a photorealistic setting. There's the ability to generate transparent layers, so you can create images that have the shape of your object if it's not a traditional rectangular or circular shape. This is useful if you're creating an image with multiple layers in an image editor. That is, if you'll still use one of those after you use 4.0's image generation. Text rendering, aside from generating toes and fingers, has probably been one of the most difficult tasks for AI image generators. 4.0 allows you to include all kinds of text from a single prompt in a single image. It can take your simple prompt, understand the context, and fill in the details. Now, if you do have a detailed prompt, one with detailed instructions, lots of objects, 4.0 can handle that. For other AI models, this is a lot of objects to include in a single image. Not only is it a lot, but they're also pretty different objects from each other. 4.0's multimodality can differentiate between all the objects requested and generate all of them in a single image. Even in this demo, 4.0 has difficulty generating a thumbs up emoji here in the bottom left corner. It looks like it's two hands, two thumbs up, right next to each other, or one right behind the other. But we'll take a look at some of our other favorite examples that we've seen, including this one with text rendering and these stickers for words. Now, a normal human being might not hold a sticker in this particular manner, but the image looks very photorealistic. There's this rendering of a cat in a video game with all these different menu options and this description, as well as all these different options that a player might choose from. And here's the infographic that we were referring to earlier for Newton's prism experiment. It shows us the visuals as well as the text, highlighting different aspects of the infographic. And then this applies that infographic in a photorealistic setting from the POV of a note taker or a student, whatever this person is. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.